Hi folks, happy Thanksgiving. Hope you're having a great day so far. These are the pepper plants that we had planted late in the summer, and they produced a little bit, but they're starting to yellow. The temperature here has only gotten into the upper 50s. Now, I see a lot of videos of people sharing their experiences with the pepper plants and talking about how they do not, pull them out. And then they'll, some of them survive through the winter and they just regrow from the bottom. Well, that's basically what I'm going to do here. So if these all die back, I'm going to see if they'll grow back from the bottoms. Anyhow, I'm just keeping you updated, and thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving.